Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Unlike Midwest tornadoes that are over land, very massive and strong, water spouts 9 times out of 10 are fairly weak. Here's that picture once again from Quonset Point in North Kingstown. Thanks to Rick LaSalle for taking this picture and some of the heavier thunderstorms that came through. They tend to be very narrow and weak. Now, a full-fledged Midwest tornado can have winds over 200 miles per hour. Water spouts most of the time anywhere between 50 and 80 miles per hour. Now, it's still a significant weather event for around here, but nothing like the Midwest tornadoes. They tend to be very narrow and short-lived. But it was out there near Quonset Point. In fact, take it back to 6 o'clock this morning, radar rewind with just a couple of showers, but watch how these heavier storms, the areas in yellow and orange, how they start to approach between 7 and 9 o'clock this morning. And it's now Quonset's right here. It's this one cell right in here that produced the water spout and very heavy rain, some flash flooding, all pulling away with some sunshine returning. Now the clouds are back, and round 2 of showers and thunderstorms is still well off to our south and west, western Connecticut, Long Island Sound, New York City. This will approach later on this evening and during the overnight. Flashes of lightning. I do expect some downpours, so there could be some at least isolated street flooding later on this evening. Perhaps the storm's not quite as strong, but thunder and downpours likely later on this evening and during the overnight. Even though the activity is still off to our south and west, cloudy skies in Providence right now. The dew point is high, indicating there's a lot of moisture in the air. Temperatures now in the upper 70s to 81 in Tiverton, Newport 74, and westerly coming in at 73. There's a weather disturbance in the upper levels of the atmosphere now over New York City, and that'll translate to the east, and that'll act like a spark, just acting on this high humidity and setting off these showers and thunderstorms later on this evening and during the overnight hours. You can see on our lightning tracker, it's fairly active out in western Connecticut and just offshore. We take a look at Futurecast. Very simple, just follow the clock right up in here. 7 o'clock this evening. Most of the activity is still off to our south and west, but moving through later on this evening and lasting through most of the overnight. This is 2 o'clock in the morning, still showers and thunderstorms into early tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. I would say by 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of the activity is pulling away, and by the afternoon hours, things will improve, drier air with partly sunny skies. So tomorrow's not a total loss. The wettest part of the day tomorrow would be during the morning, especially early on. But showers and thunderstorms both this evening and throughout the overnight. I don't think it's every hour of the night, but when they do come through, there'll be some downpours. So some nuisance street flooding is possible later on this evening and during the overnight. Showers and thunder tomorrow morning, 72 to 79, and then improving weather by tomorrow afternoon, turning partly sunny, warm, and drier as temperatures top out in the mid-80s. So if you have beach plans, the afternoon hours would be better. And as far as the weather on the bay, it does improve during the afternoon. Warm, dry on Friday, 89 degrees. Still keeping the chance for scattered showers and thunder on Saturday, with drier weather on Sunday, partly sunny, and a high temperature near 80. So heading out this evening, grab the umbrellas, and if you're driving, exercise some caution. There may be some standing water again.
All right, thanks, Tony.
Coming up, you at